Good evening to all, and I welcome you all for AMP ETP program. This ETP program has been organized by AMP, Association of Muslim Professionals, specially for the students, those who have registered in our Mega Job Fair, which will be conducted on 4th December, Saturday. The session is completely camperized for the students, for the candidates, those who want to find the right job and prepare an effective resume, and also how to face an interview, etiquettes, grooming, and also communication skills for them. So today's speaker is Mr. Umar Sharif Kaisar. He has service industry of 27 plus year. He had worked at Williamson Morgan, Ambuja Nota, Marriott, JLL, and now with CBRE. He likes and enjoy to interact with people and also conduct small programs on soft skills, majorly on personality development for the youth and various other topics. A keen and avoid English football enthusiastic. So here I over to Mr. Umar Sharif. Here the sir. So I over the session to you, sir, without
Thank
wasting
you.
any time.
Yeah,
And
exactly. Thank you. Thank you so very much, Pam, for this lovely introduction. I hope I am audible to most of my friends here, young aspirants. I see approximately around 82, 80 plus number of members here. So if I am not, then do let me know. Thank you so very much, Rashid Beksab. Well, there was a small question which came up from Wayne D. Almeida. Wayne, what I need you to do is, if you want to launch it on your laptop, you have to download this, Zoom, and then thereafter you have to log in. So I believe you're there from you're watching. I mean, you're doing the session through your mobile. So nevertheless, do not worry. Subject to if you can listen to me what I'm telling you. So that will be much better rather than going through the Zoom because through the laptop, because that will take much more time for you. So next time, whenever you are there, if you wish to do a session through the laptop, use the laptop, then download the Zoom app. That will be much better, right? So thank you so very much. Most of the people I got to know that are from Mumbai. Kasakai, Mumbai. I am from Kolkata, Bengali. Like you all are the Maharashtrians. So I am from Kolkata. We say namaskar, good evening, and assalamu alaikum. Well, my name is Umar Sharif. And in a very short brief, I'll just give you about myself. I've got approximately around 27 years of experience in the service sector. And I started my career as a flight attendant with Williamson Mega. And then thereafter, I joined the Ambuja Neotia Group, right? It's a large corporate house in Eastern India in Kolkata. And then there I was working with JLL and a multinational company. And then thereafter, my present stint is with CBRE, that's CB Richard Ellis in Calcutta. So I've been working with these various groups and also with the Marriott hotels. So that's that about me. About my hobbies and interests, yes, of course, I enjoy watching English Football League, right? And I also conduct some training programs, usually offline. So online is a new thing, which has started from last year onwards. So I do conduct training programs on soft skills and where I interact with people and I help them. See, आप लोगों को कितना मजा आएगा with my session, I don't know, but I'll try to make it more interactive. And whatever questions you have, अगर आपके पास में कुछ भी जिज्ञासा हो, कुछ भी सवाल हो, तो आप उसको note down करो. और end of the session, we will have a question answer session, right? So आपके पास में जो भी कुछ भी पूछने के लिए हो, whatever. I believe मैं जो आपसे बात करना जा रहा हूं अभी अगले 45 मिनट्स तक, so that will be more or less आपको समझ में आ जाएगा क्या मैं चाहता हूं और आपकी जितनी भी सारी क्वेरीज हैं वो क्लियर हो जाएगी. मगर फिर भी at the end of the session, if you find anything which is disturbing you, which you're not clear, then do let me know. I'll make it, I'll give you a quick and a transparent answer. Fair enough. So without wasting much of the time, let me put up this slide. So this is the full screen of which I am sure you must be seeing it on your PC or in your laptop. So this is me, Omar Sharif Kaisar from Kolkata. Now, the topic for today is to make you ready for us to face the interview on the 4th of December. That's Saturday. So my best wishes to you in advance. आप सभी कोई तरक्की करें. हम सब चाहते हैं कि आप सब तरक्की करें. आप कल के भविष्य हैं, इस देश के भविष्य हैं. So do well. दिन में 24 घंटा मिलता है आप लोगों को. इन 24 घंटा में आज जो आपको मौका मिला है 1 घंटा, उसमें 45 मिनट्स लेट मी स्पीक टू यू ऑल. एंड कोशिश कीजिए इसको जितने से जितने इसको एब्जॉर्ब करने के लिए, इसको ग्रैस्प करने के लिए, ताकि इससे आपके लिए ही बेहतर होगा. So let us not waste much time and start the session. Now, the three things which is required while you're facing the interview board, is the confidence, the communication, and your personality. ये 3 factors किसी भी कैंडिडेट के पास में अगर हो, मजबूती से अगर इसको इस पे मद्देनजर रख करके इस पे फोकस करें, so that person will excel, and there is 99% chance that this person will crack the interview. So my motto and our agenda, the AMP's agenda, is to make you perfect, make you understand what we are trying to tell you. AMP wishes to help you. They want to help you in facing the interview board, because there are different type of people who will be coming, right? And वो लोग चाहते हैं कि आप इसको क्रैक करें आपके बेहतर के लिए. This is a wonderful initiative, from AMP, that they are doing this a job fair, and as well as they are getting you prepared for this. So it's like a schooling thing for you. So it's a fantastic thing. So confidence, communication, and personality. ये 3 factors अगर आपके पास में है, to mind you, my friends, you're going to do it. Whether you're a boy or a girl, you're going to crack it. So the first thing is confidence. Confidence में क्या है? What do you mean by confidence? Confidence means you should have a good body posture. आप भीड़ में कैसे पहचाने जाओगे that कि आप ही वो हो जिसको कंपनी की जरूरत हो. You see, आप जब बिल्डिंग में एंटर करोगे, जब आप बिल्डिंग में एंटर करते हो, जब आप मतलब वॉक करके आप वॉक इन करते हो उस बिल्डिंग में इंटरव्यू जहां देने जा रहे हो, your body posture should be such, your walking posture should be such, with so much of confidence and guts, so that that people, once they look at you, they should say कि यार क्या बात है. In today's time, at the age of 77, my friends, somebody's grandfather's age is Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Look at his confidence. Look at the way he walks. The angry young man जो start हुआ था जंजीर के जमाने से, he's still the same. The way he walks, the way he carries himself. This is what one should do. This is what is required. The way you walk. Don't make it so stylish. Don't make it extraordinary. But while you're walking, make it with confidence. You see, so that कि सामने वाले जब देखे आपको एंटर करते हुए, they will say, wow. That first thing he should say, wow, इस बंदे में है दम. I've just taken a name of a film actor. Because most of us relate to them. But look at somebody, a Mumbaikar from your state. A big businessman, Mukesh Ambani. He's a stout. He's a little on the fatter side. He's short height. But look at the way he walks when he's entering his building, or when he's getting out the car, or while he's getting into his car, or while he's going from his car to take the flight, when he's entering the aircraft, his aircraft. Go to the YouTube sites. Even if he's going to the Siddhi Vinayak temple, आप उनकी walking style देखो. He is brisk and he is walking with such confidence. That is Mukesh Ambani. That is what we want. That is what is our expectations from you. कि आप जब चलो तो आपके अंदर में कॉन्फिडेंस हो. आप जब दरवान से जब मिलोगे, right from the दरवान at the security point, building के security से, till the time you meet the receptionist and you're introducing yourself that I'm Umar Sharif, I have come here for the interview. वो आवाज में भी, उस चाल में भी इतनी खूबसूरती होनी चाहिए कि सामने वाला देख करके बोले कि यार इस बंदे में है दम. This is what we are expecting. So when you enter the room, you walk with confidence. You're walking with confidence. I'm sorry, but this is an online platform, so I cannot demonstrate. But had this been an offline platform, जहां मैं आपके सामने रूबरू, लाइव देख सकता हूं, आपको मिल सकता हूं, तब मैं दिखाता, मैं लाइव डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन करता हूं. And this is where the candidates, the aspirants, they get to know what I am actually trying to tell you. So when you're walking, you walk with confidence. There should be a smile on your face. You should carry a smile on your face. Your top to toe, it should be such perfection कि आदमी लोग देख करके बोलेगा चलो पहला चीज तो he's wow, crack किया, right? So once you enter the room, you shake hands. Now it depends. अभी कोरोना का टाइम है, so nobody is encouraging to shake hands. But even if you wish to, सामने वाला अगर आपको हाथ मिलाता है, I suggest at this point, at this juncture, during this pandemic time, you should avoid, especially in a city like Maharashtra, though वहां पर में cases ज़्यादा हो रहे, so you should avoid. People सामने वाला भी, they will not object, they will not mind. So when you go, you enter and you say, introduce yourself. Yeah, good morning, sir. Now, if you notice, मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा है introducing yourself, myself करके, myself Umar Sharif, myself Amitabh Bachchan, myself Aditya Birla, myself Kumar Mangalam Billa, myself Sanjeev Goenka. I'm sorry, but since I'm from Kolkata, I'm from West Bengal. यहाँ पर में मेरे स्टेट्स में, आपके स्टेट्स में क्या होता है, I don't know much, बट हमारे स्टेट्स में, हमारे वेस्ट बंगाल के स्टेट में, हमारे शहर में, मैं जब इंटरव्यू लेता हूं, मेरे पास में जब कैंडिडेट आते हैं, एंड व्हेन आई टेल देम कि प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ, दो आई हैव हिज सीवी विद मी इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, द कैंडिडेट ही इंट्रोड्यूसेस हिमसेल्फ एज माई सेल्फ संदीप मोंडोल, माई सेल्फ देवराज नंदी. यार ये माई सेल्फ बोल के ना सामने वाले के पूरा एंथुजियाज्म पूरा खत्म हो जाता है, पूरा सत्यानाश होता है, चौपट हो जाता है. So please avoid using this term called myself. Do not, it's a strict no-no actually. Do not introduce yourself by myself, starting with myself. सामने वाले को पता है आपका नाम क्या है. So please, if you have to, you introduce yourself. Sir, my name is Umar Sharif. And since you have my profile in front of you, so however, I will start off with my education first. I've done my schooling from such and such school. I've done my college from such and such school. Presently, I am pursuing this degree from this college. And I am here to apply for this position. Though I have not much experience in this field, however, I think I have got that confidence and that ability to, to do well in this particular job. If given a chance, if given an opportunity, I think I'll do much better. This is what should be. आपके आवाज में, पहला कॉन्फिडेंस में हमने क्या बोला था कि आपके बॉडी पोस्चर, इट शुड बी सच दैट के सामने वाला देख करके बोले he has a wow factor. Second, when you enter, there should be a smile in your room, on your face. When you're entering the room, smile not only for the interviewers, mind you. Smile should start from the moment you come out of your home. Your parents, भैया भाभी, सबको देखते हुए मुस्कुराते हुए निकलोगे, बिकॉज आप मुस्कुराते हुए निकलोगे सब कुछ अच्छा जाएगा. इवन दैट ऑटो रिक्शा वाला, दैट बस वाला, दैट टैक्सी वाला, आप उन लोग से भी मिलो मुस्कुराते, थैंक यू भैया. यू स्टार्ट दैट, कंटिन्यू दैट प्रोसेस, बिकॉज बीच में अगर आप कहीं पर अपने आप को, माइंड को कहीं आप डाइवर्ट करोगे, थोड़ा इनटॉलरेंस ला दोगे ये सब चीज में, तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा. तो यू बिकम टॉलरेंट. कुछ भी गलती भी हो गया, थोड़ा डिले भी हो गया, कोई बात नहीं, चलो ठीक है. सो एंड व्हेन यू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ, स्माइल, थोड़ा सा मुस्कुरा दो, डजंट कॉस्ट मच. Shaking hands, as I said, not required. Introducing yourself, sir, my name is, ठीक है, ऐसा करके इस तरह से शुरुआत कीजिए. एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू स्टैंड आउट ऑफ द क्राउड. मतलब 100 अगर लोग हैं, आप लोग अभी शायद 107 पीपल हैं, 106 पीपल हैं, जो भी हैं, आप लोग में से ऐसा कौन बंदा है जो स्टैंड आउट हो, जिसको देखने से लगे दैट इस बंदे में है दम. गांधी जी, इस बंदे में था दम. वो दैट डायलॉग याद आ गया. गांधी जी, व्हाट वाज ही वेयरिंग, व्हाट ही यूज्ड टू वेयर. Most of us, we all have visualized that Gandhi ji used to wear, that cotton, cotton के कपड़े, धोती, and एक चादर होता था और एक लाठी. But even at that age, that man used to walk with guts. So if not, I have given you examples of industrialists, I've given you examples of a film star. I'm giving you an example of the father of the nation, Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi. Dandi March, उनका YouTube पे देखो आप. He is there on YouTube also. देखो किस तरह से चलते थे वो. That confidence, get that confidence in you. Bring that confidence in you. Right? Don't sulk. आप बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, चलते हैं. Their shoulders are, down. एकदम as if they're sulking, कुछ हो गया, दुखी आत्मा, we say दुखी आत्मा. So don't become that दुखी आत्मा. Walk with वो posture, वो confidence ऐसा आना चाहिए, जुनून, जज्बा, जोश ऐसा आना चाहिए कि सामने वाला देख करके बोलेगा wow. Even if it's a lady, I'm sorry, I'm not being racist, but even if it's a lady, wow. Wow. I'm sorry, but that lady is not there anymore in the system. The CEO of ICICI Bank, who was sacked about 2 years ago. Look, I've met her. What a confident lady she was to be when she was the CEO of ICICI Bank. The way she used to walk and the way she used to speak. अरे आप इतने दूर क्यों जा रहे हो? Look at my chief minister, Didi, the famous Miss Mamta Banerjee. She wears a Hawaii chappal. She wears a blue parka sari, cotton sari. And the way she walks, Hawaii chappal maybe. That is the confidence. लोग देख के बोलते हैं कि यार she is the chief minister material. She is actually the chief minister. लोग डरते हैं उनसे, प्यार भी करते हैं मगर डरते भी. So this is what I am expecting. This is what we are expecting of you. That confidence. Right? चलो, आप कुछ points अगर हो, keep a note of it and we'll discuss later. Part 2 of the factor which I discussed is the communication. So I will not elaborate much. I will not bore you with so much of ज़्यादा बात करके, because I want to keep some time, 10-15 minutes for our communication also, for our discussion also. So communication is the second factor, which is very, very important for each one of you. Excuse me, please. How to start a communication? How do you start? Interview वाले आपसे पूछेंगे, कि tell us something about yourself. So please don't in the sense like ये business, तो ये मत करना आप लोग. So this is actually, it shows your weakness. It shows how nervous you are, because सामने वाला जो बंदा है जो आपसे इंटरव्यू ले रहा है, he is taking the interview, but please don't become so nervous कि सामने वाला he overpowers you. Getting me? So please do not fumble with terms like what you don't know. You say, I'm sorry sir, मुझे नहीं पता. One more thing. अच्छा वो बाद में आऊंगा मैं. So आप बोल दो कि मुझे sorry sir, मुझे नहीं पता, मैं नहीं जानता इसके बारे में. I will not be able to comment because I am not aware of this answer, of the answer which you are expecting from me. ठीक है? आप communicate आप तभी कर सकते हो सामने वाले से जब आप उनको ध्यान से आप सुन रहे हो. आज मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूं, आई डोंट नो, बट कितने लोग, कितने बच्चे मुझे देख करके सुन रहे हैं, दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन कितने बच्चे मुझे सिर्फ बिना देखे सुन रहे हैं. Difference, mind you, difference. One category is looking into the camera and observing me and listening to me. जो मुझे सुन रहे हैं देख करके, जैसे मैं आपको कैमरा से देख रहा हूं, आप मेरे सामने हो नहीं, मगर मैं अपने कैमरे में देख रहा हूं. और दूसरे ग्रुप वो होंगे शायद आज इस 108 ग्रुप 108 लोग में से जो मुझे ईयरफोन्स लगा के सिर्फ सुन रहे हैं मगर देख नहीं रहे हैं. कोई बात नहीं, पर ध्यान रखें, जब आप इंटरव्यू के रूम में हैं और आप इंटरव्यूअर के सामने बैठे हुए हैं, आप आई टू आई कांटेक्ट रखें, जिस तरीके से मैंने अभी आपके साथ में आई टू आई कांटेक्ट रखा. Please ensure that your eye to eye contact is there. Do not look into the fans. How many blades does the fan have? What is the color of the wall? ठीक है? Whether that person behind that interviewer, what he's wearing. वो window में कौवा आके बैठा हुआ है. Don't do that. Avoid doing that. Right? So you look into the eyes of the person who's speaking with you. Because जब आप eye से eye contact करेंगे, जब आप उनको सुनेंगे, देखेंगे, आप उनको सुनेंगे वो क्या बोल रहे हैं, then you will be able to absorb, then you will be able to understand what he is expecting, what answer he is expecting from you. I hope you're getting me. समझ आ रही होगी आपको. So please listen to that person very, very clearly कि what he is trying to tell you. Only then you will be able to express yourself. You will be able to give a correct answer. Right? Now, excuse me. Most of us are not well versed in the English language. कहने के तात्पर्य यह है कि बहुत सारे लोग, हम लोग इंग्लिश सही से बात नहीं कर सकते हैं. Why? या तो आता नहीं है, या तो लो इन कॉन्फिडेंस, या तो थोड़ा हिचकिचाहट है. समझ सकते हैं मगर बात करने में, एक्सप्रेस करने में हिचकिचाहट है. डोंट गेट स्कैर्ड. मत डरिए. अगर आज आप डर गए तो आप जिंदगी भर डरते रहेंगे. मैंने अपने पिछले सेशन में बताया था, अपने कलकत्ता में कुछ हुआ था, एक सेशन हुआ था, तो मैंने वहां बताया था. आई फील प्राउड टू से कि मैं आज जिस तरीके से आपसे बात कर रहा हूं, कई जमाने पहले जब मैं एक छोटा बच्चा था, हम लोग जब अपने से बड़ों से बात करते हैं, आप अपने पेरेंट्स से जब बात करते हैं तो आप से बात करते हैं, आप बोलते हैं ना, आप जनाब. बहुत सारे लोग फैमिली में बोलते हैं तुम, जैसे बंगाली में होता है, अपने पेरेंट्स को तुम्ही को बोलते हैं. तुम्ही बाबा, तुम्ही माँ, तुम्ही तो আমাকে বলেছিলে, मतलब ये तुम्ही होता है वहां पर में, यहां पर में. पर हम लोग, बहुत सारे लोग इन जनरल 90-95% हम लोग आप करके पेरेंट्स करते हैं, इज्जत से बात करते हैं. सो जब मैं छोटा था तो मैं समझता था कि तुम बोलना खराब है, विच इज हम लोग को सिखाया जाता है बचपन से, तुम बोलना खराब है. तो तुम, इंग्लिश में तुम को बोला जाता है यू. तो मैं अपने क्लास टीचर को और अपने ट्यूशन टीचर को मैं यू बोलने में डरता था. क्यों? क्योंकि यू का मतलब तुम. मैं बड़ा, वो हमसे बड़ी हैं, टीचर हमसे बड़े हैं, मैं उनको तुम कैसे बोल सकता हूं, मैं उनको यू कैसे बोल सकता हूं. तो आई यूज्ड टू गेट स्कैर्ड. मैं बहुत डरता था. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता जब मैं क्लास 5 में 4 5 में आया, तब मुझे पता चला भाई यू का मतलब तुम नहीं होता है. इंग्लिश में यू सामने वाले को एड्रेस किया जाता है. तब मेरे अंदर में वो कॉन्फिडेंस जागा. मैं जो आप लोग के साथ में इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशन जो कर रहा हूं, आई वॉज नॉट वेल वर्स्ड इन इंग्लिश. मुझे बात करने में डर होती थी. मैं डिबेट्स में हिस्सा लेना चाहता था, डरता था, मगर बहुत डरता था कि क्या मैं बोलूंगा. मुझे को शौक है मगर आता नहीं था बात करने के लिए. आई यूज्ड टू फील स्केर्ड जब मैंने पहला सेशन लिया था. बट विथ टाइम एंड विथ कॉन्फिडेंस आई बिल्ड अप दैट माई कॉन्फिडेंस. मेरी जो वीकनेस है, मैं उसके ऊपर में बिल्डअप करके मैं अपने आप को आज इस मुकाम में पहुंचा हूं. दैट बीइंग अ मेंबर ऑफ AMP, I have been given this opportunity, given this task to conduct a program with you all. So you see, it's an achievement for me personally. It's an achievement for me that being associated with such a reputed group like AMP and conducting a program for the Mumbaikars, for the candidates who are from Maharashtra. Sorry. So whether you can speak in English, whether you can speak in Hindi, or whether you can speak in Bengali, Urdu, Marathi, whatever language you are comfortable in, you speak in that language. यूजुअली क्या होते हैं जब इंटरव्यू लेते हैं ना सामने वाले, तो वो लोग चाहते हैं कि कैंडिडेट इंग्लिश में बात करे. इफ यू आर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट इन स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश, यू टेल द पर्सन, सर आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश वेरी वेल, मैं इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छे से समझ सकता हूँ, बट मैं ज्यादा बेहतर होगा अगर मैं आपको मराठी में जवाब दूं, मैं आपको हिंदी में जवाब दूं, मैं आपको उर्दू में जवाब दूं, मैं आपको बांग्ला में जवाब दूं. सो यू सी, सो दिस इज हाउ यू गेन कॉन्फिडेंस ऑफ दैट पर्सन, सामने वाले का. So that सामने वाला, it will not be a negative for you, because आप गलत इंग्लिश बोल करके you're going to get negative marks. आप अंडरस्टैंड कर रहे हो मुझे? जब आपके पास में मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस आती है, उसके आंसर्स होते हैं, मल्टीपल आंसर्स होते हैं, आप उसमें गलत अगर कर दो तो आप यू गेट अ रॉन्ग आंसर, राइट? सो आप पहले से एड्रेस कर लो एंड टेल देम दैट सर आई गॉट दिस हैंडीकैप, आई एम नॉट गुड इन इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग, rather I can understand well, but मैं अगर आपको हिंदी में जवाब दूं तो I hope you don't mind. सामने वाला, if he's a good person, he'll say no, please carry on. अरे भाई शर्माने की क्या है, हमारा खुद का, हमारे देश के जो प्रधानमंत्री हैं, हमारे भारत के जो प्रधानमंत्री है, he is such a good speaker, but when he goes to United Nations, he goes to America, he addresses in Hindi. ठीक है, no issues. You don't have to be a perfect person, to you have to get 100% to get to be a good speaker. No, आप जिस लैंग्वेज में कॉन्फिडेंट, आप उसमें बात करो. फीडबैक लो. आप जब इंटरव्यू दे रहे हो, सामने वाले से जब बात कर रहे हो, तो आप उनसे पूछिए अगर कुछ क्लैरिटी नहीं हो. जैसे मैं एंड ऑफ द सेशन में आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी दूंगा पूछने के लिए, तो आप फीडबैक लीजिए सामने वाले से, अबाउट द जॉब, what is the job definition, what is the job roles and responsibilities, मुझे क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा सर. एंड प्लीज अवॉइड आस्किंग क्वेश्चन, सर छुट्टी किस दिन होगा, ये क्वेश्चन कभी मत करना, बिकॉज जिस दिन आप पूछोगे सर छुट्टी किस दिन है, ड्यूटी आवर्स कितने बजे हैं, नेगेटिव. मेरे पास में अगर आप इंटरव्यू देने आओगे, मुझे पूछोगे ड्यूरिंग द इंटरव्यू, नॉट एट द बिगिनिंग और द एंड, ड्यूरिंग द इंटरव्यू मुझे पूछे सर छुट्टी किस दिन पड़ेगा, मैं उसी वक्त रिजेक्ट कर दूंगा. सर टाइमिंग कितने बजे से कितने बजे तक होगी, मैं रिजेक्ट कर दूंगा. बिकॉज वो इंसान कभी तरक्की नहीं कर सकता है जो घड़ी देखकर काम करे और जो छुट्टी देकर काम करे. आप देश के भविष्य हो, शुड नॉट लुक इनटू द वॉच एंड वर्क. काम करो, राइट? सो टेक प्रॉपर फीडबैक, राइट? इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स, अगर आपकी कुछ जिज्ञासा है, कुछ शंका है, कुछ प्रश्न में आपको कुछ बात में आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रही है, तो आप उनको रोको. सर एक्सक्यूज मी सर, जस्ट वन मोमेंट. उनके बात खत्म होने के बाद में, sir excuse me just one moment, I just wanted to know sir, you mentioned about this issue, this formula, or this this matter, I just wanted you to elaborate more on that. आप मुझे जरा इसमें जरा विस्तार में बताएंगे प्लीज, जरा इसमें जरा खुल के बताएंगे प्लीज. सो आस्क सामने वाले को, he will not object, he will like it that you are showing interest, आप इंटरेस्ट दिखा रहे हैं. So this is what I want from you all, and whatever you do, convey it in a very simple manner. Do not show that attitude, do not show that, that, oh, मुझे तो उमर शरीफ ने बोला है कलकत्ता से, that show that, that confidence. Show that confidence, but do not, इतना मत दिखा दो कि सामने वाले को, कि सामने वाला देख के बोलेगा यार इस बंदे के अंदर बहुत ज्यादा ईगो है, नहीं चलेगा. Be smart, yet be simple. Be smart, yet be simple. आप जो सुन रहे हैं, आप वही चीज उनको बयान करें. And mind you, in 1997 I came to Bombay. I flew down to from Kolkata to Bombay. मैंने फ्लाइट लिया उसी दिन. पापा को बोला पापा मुझे पैसे चाहिए, मुझे बॉम्बे जाना है एक इंटरव्यू देने के लिए. कौन सी कंपनी सुनोगे आप ही की शहर की कंपनी थी, एक मैक्स टेलीकॉम. अनिलजीत सिंह वाज द चेयरमैन एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर, मैक्स टेलीकॉम. मैं वहां इंटरव्यू देने गया था. जैसे आज के टाइम में एयरटेल है ना, एयरटेल है, वोडाफोन है, जियो है, तो वैसी मैक्स हुआ करता था एक जमाने में, उस जमाने में. एंड इट वाज अ बिग थिंग. एयरलाइंस में और टेलीकॉम कंपनी में काम करना वाज अ बिग थिंग. तो मैं मैक्स में गया था इंटरव्यू देने के लिए. While giving the interview, after the interview was over, this lady she came to me and she told that, Umar, we like your profile very much. You're such a, you're a good candidate for us. We will definitely think of taking you. But however, Umar, one small suggestion to you. मैंने जी बोला, yes ma'am. बोला, आप जब बात करो ना, आप थोड़े ऑडिबल हो ताकि सामने वाला सुन सके, और थोड़ी सी नरमाहट लाओ अपने आवाज पे बातचीत में. She said, I was shocked कि बात तो उसने सही बोला है, शायद मेरे अंदर भी किसी चीज की कमी होगी, डेफिनेटली उसने बोला है. तो खैर यही चीज मैं चाहता हूं आपसे, जब आप बात करो, जब आप अपने को प्रेजेंट करो, to make yourself कि that you are this thing, you are this person who's such a good speaker. कितने 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 उसकी बात करने का जो लहजा है, बात करने का जो टोन है, उसमें खूबसूरती आए. You see, this actor, not a very handsome looking actor, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Irfan Khan, the late Irfan Khan, not a good looking handsome hunk, ठीक है, but उन लोग की बात करने का तरीका देखो, डायलॉग डिलीवरी देखो. नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी बहुत सारे गंदे गंदे शब्द यूज करता है. इट इज नॉट बाय पर्पस, बट इट इज ऑफ कोर्स द डिमांड ऑफ द स्क्रिप्ट, बट वो जो बात करता है, लुक एट दैट फ्लो, लुक एट अमिताभ बच्चन, लुक एट दैट फ्लो. These I mean, some of the industrialists, like I have heard Mukesh Ambani speak, I have heard Azim Premji speak. Look at their flow. Look at some videos. Look at Mr. Narayana Murthy of Infosys. Watch them how they speak. वो जब बात करते हैं सामने वाले को समझ आता है. So this is what will carries weight. आपकी communication, how you speak, how much you're audible to your audience. सामने वाला सुन सक रहा है कि नहीं. I'm sorry, but as I said कि offline class होता है, मैं आपको ज्यादा बता सकता हूँ demonstrate करके. मैं आया, what is your name? Sir, my name is Umar Sharif. Excuse me? Umar Sharif. मुझे उमर शरीफ बोला था स्माइल करने के लिए, मैं स्माइल भी कर रहा हूँ. उमर शरीफ, ओके, तो जरा जोर से बोलेंगे. वो जोर से बोलना है. सर उमर शरीफ, नहीं, स्माइल लगाना है. सर माय नेम इज उमर शरीफ. ये होना चाहिए इस तरीके से. दैट इज व्हाट हाउ यू बिल्ड दैट कॉन्फिडेंस एंड द कम्युनिकेशन. So 2 factors we've spoken. The last factor, and then we'll end up the session. Your personality. Now, personality में मैंने उसमें सब 2 points दिया है. Your clothing and attitude. Why clothing? दो मैं इस पे ज्यादा स्ट्रेस नहीं करता हूं ज्यादा, because सबके अलग अलग स्टाइल होते हैं क्लोथिंग करने की. बट आप इंटरव्यू जा रहे हो देने के लिए, आप एक कॉर्पोरेट कंपनी में जा रहे हो इंटरव्यू देने के लिए. You are meeting, maybe you're meeting the managers, the GM, the VP, the president, the MD, the CEO, the COO, whoever, depends. So your clothing should be such that it should, it should reflect कि आप क्या हैं. Say suppose आज आप लोगों को बताया गया कि there is this guy coming from Kolkata called Umar Sharif who's going to conduct a session. How to train ourselves, how to be prepared for the interview. What if if I am in my banyan, in my t-shirt, right, in my t-shirt, and मैं एक session start कर रहा हूँ in my track pant and my t-shirt, how will you feel? आप suddenly आप देख के बोलोगे यार ये बंदा अपने को समझा रहा है, and he himself is not, his attire is, his clothing is not proper. तो ये क्या कर रहा है, ये हमको क्यों समझा रहा है? Getting me? So your clothing should reflect on your personality and the attitude. So whatever, for men, I'll come to the ladies also, but for men first, if you are facing the interview, please ensure that it should be plain light color shirt. Do not wear any dark color shirt. No printed, no check shirt. It should be light color shirt. Sky blue is highly preferred. White is highly preferred. I'm wearing a baby pink. I don't know आप लोगों को नजर आ रहा कि नहीं आ रहा, but I'm wearing actually a baby pink color. So it is acceptable, but avoid using dark color. Avoid using, bottle green, green, yellow, brown, a magenta or a multicolor shirt, a check shirt, a striped shirt. Avoid using. Preferably, it should be a light color shirt with a dark trouser. Preferably a black trouser, preferably a navy blue trouser. Avoid using a brown trouser. It's a lengthy discussion. मैं उस पे नहीं जाऊंगा, debate नहीं करूंगा उसमें. Why not brown trouser? किसी के पास में नहीं है. But in a company, for corporate world, brown trousers are strictly avoided. Once you start working, once you get used to it, then on weekends, on Friday dressing, you can start wearing brown color shirts or a green color pant or whatever. But one should avoid. When you're facing the interview board, please avoid these colors, but please prefer wearing a black trouser or a navy blue trouser with a light color shirt. Your belt should be black. No brown belt. Should be black. Your shoes should be black. Your shoes, I repeat, should be black. I have heard, I have seen, and I have, I was in a group discussion where trainers have mentioned, I don't wish to name the person, but I've heard trainers mentioning, आप brown socks पहन सकते हो, आप white socks पहन सकते हो, white socks भी चलेगा. नहीं चलेगा. It has to be black socks. Navy blue pant हो, black pant हो, even अगर आपके पास में नहीं हो, brown pant पहनते हो, please wear a black socks. Do not wear any other color socks. No white socks. You're not in school anymore. You're facing the corporate world. It has to be black. Umar Sharif ने कहा black, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि black shirt and black pant. No. Please, do not quote me wrong. The shoes and the belt should be black. The socks should be black. The trousers should be dark, either blue or black. Shirts should be either white, preferably blue, and preferably pink. Or light green agar ho to, light green. But avoid using yellow, dark blue, brown. Even a gray will do. Even a gray color shirt will do. Yes, it will. It will help you. Now, ladies, I don't know how many ladies are there, but of course there are few. Please do not feel shy to wear your, whatever you are comfortable in. If there are Muslim ladies, bachi log hain, Muslim girls are there, please wear your shalwar kameez if you're comfortable in. You can cover with your scarf if you're doing it. ठीक है? Do not feel shy. Do not get scared कि या अल्लाह क्या होगा, सामने वाला मुझे रिजेक्ट कर देगा. नहीं, आपका ईमान आपके साथ में है. So do not feel shy. You can cover your head with the scarf, and you can tuck it under your cheek, right, the corner. So, and if you're wearing a abaya, the burqa, no problem. Do not wear a tight burqa, please. Do not wear that. Avoid wearing that tight burqa. Avoid wearing a very flashy colored burqas. It should be either black or blue. Right? Not yellow, red, purple, green, magenta, multicolored, fashion. You're not going for a fashion parade. You're going to face the interview. You're going to present yourself. You're not going to any wedding party. You're going to face the corporate world. This is the first step. So even for Maharashtrian girls, non-Muslim girls, अगर आप साड़ी पहनना चाहते हो, साड़ी पहनो. Right? Boys especially and girls especially, please ensure कि आप एक रात पहले से ready हो जाओ. Iron, keep your clothes ironed, keep your shoes polished. So you don't have to rush the next day, right? Now, I've also heard some of the trainers saying, you can use attar, you can use perfume. Okay, please, you can use it. I'm not asking you to stop using it. You can use it, but make it light. Do not use hard perfume. I'm a person who loves and who enjoys wearing hard attar. मैं oud use करता हूं, and I use the hard. But I've been there, done that. See, I don't have to, show anybody, but I ensure that whatever attar which I use, on my which I'm wearing on me, it is not that very hard, which disturbs others, but it is comfortable. So for you, please, you can use deo, light deo, or you can use a perfume which should be light, not hard. Please avoid using hard perfume. For men, I don't know how many women, but yes, for men, especially, so young guys like you, agar aap log koi smoke karte ho, I'm not asking you to stop smoking, but if you are smoking, please ensure कि आप जब रूम में एंटर कर रहे हो, that रूम में एंटर करने से पहले आधे घंटे पहले you stop smoking. You take a chewing gum or जो भी lozenge whatever, जो भी Vicks या Halls आता है, कुछ भी होता है, and then you enter the room, because वो जो smell है ना, it enters with you. So avoid using a cigarette before entering the room. ठीक है, टेंशन में लोग पीते हैं, स्मोक करते हैं, फूकते हैं. So avoid that. And your attire should be very neat and clean. Like it should be, well ironed trouser, well ironed shirt, well ironed dupatta. So please ensure these factors are very important. हम लोग भी फिल्म स्टार्स लोग को देखते हैं, हॉल में, सिनेमा हॉल में देखते हैं, and why do we like them? Why do we like these industrialists which I've named, like Mukesh Ambani, Anand Mahindra? Why do we like them? Why do we like a Virat Kohli or a Sachin Tendulkar? Why do we like Milind Deora? Why do we like Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Why do we like them? Because we see them smart. Even for a matter of fact, our Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, M.K. Stalin, though he wears a wig, he's in a white shirt and a white lungi. Our ex-finance minister, P. Chidambaram, he wears a white shirt because he's a Tamilian. He wears a white shirt with a white lungi. But look at the way they carry themselves. Smart. Even if Rahul Gandhi wears a kurta pajama with the jeans, he's smart. That is that confidence which I want you all to bring into yourself. Right? So, once this is over, now this main task, this is the last slide. What to do while leaving the room? When you leave the room, please ensure that you say, thank you, sir. Thank you so very much, sir, for having me. And when can I expect the results? There's no harm in asking that. What to carry? Please, जब आप इंटरव्यू देने जा रहे हो, so बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, क्या कैरी करें, सब ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स लेके जा रहे हैं, यहाँ सर्टिफिकेट ले जा सकते हैं, but also don't carry all loose sheets on a large envelope. नहीं, carry a file with yourself, with you, something which is comfortable, not a see-through, जो आजकल आता है, usually market में मिलता है, but not a see-through, but a nice decent folder. आप उसमें अपने documents रखो, neatly tucked in, and carry a newspaper, carry a good magazine, not film magazines, please. Carry a good magazine, like an India Today, Business World. Carry that. It gives an impact. If you're carrying a book, if you're a reader, if you enjoy reading books, you carry a book with you, but a good book, right? Because the interviewer might ask you, उस book में क्या खासियत है? So, you carry a newspaper, right? जैसे हमने बताया, tell me something about yourself. Please do not avoid using myself. And if you're introducing yourself, please do not start off with I am a resident of Andheri East. No, I am a resident of Bandra. मैं बांद्रा में रहता हूँ. नहीं, वो सब बाद में आएगा. वो सब जरूरत भी नहीं है. The interviewer is more interested in you. So start off that, sir, my name is Umar Sharif. I've done my schooling. Schooling से पहले शुरू कीजिए. Then where did you end your education? कहाँ पर खत्म किया आपने? And your work experience, if any. And then later on, you say that, I've got this many number of family members. You start, end up. And also, you finish off मेरी hobbies and interests. Like मैंने जब अपना introduction दिया, I started off with my, not with my education, but with where I'm working, because I've been there, done that, 27 years of corporate service. So I started with my Williamson Maker, Ambuja Neotia, JLL, Marriott, then CBRE. And my hobbies and interest, English Football League. Football. Not a Messi or Ronaldo fan, but I enjoy watching football. And the time a moment where you don't understand anything, somebody asks you, आपसे कोई पूछता है, आपके इसके बारे में क्या ख्याल है, पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में? सो you avoid giving answers in politics because there वहां पर में लोग भेदभाव करते हैं. लोग पता चलता है कि आपकी एलिवेशन किस तरफ है, वेदर आप राइट विंग है, मतलब लेफ्ट विंग है, या आप सेंटर विंग है. तो अवॉइड यूजिंग, एंड आप बोल देना सर आई एम सॉरी, आई हैव नो नॉलेज ऑन दिस, और आई हैव वेरी लेस इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन दैट मैटर, सो आई अवॉइड यूजिंग दैट. और सर आई हैव वेरी लेस, मुझे उसकी नॉलेज नहीं है सर, आई एम सो सॉरी सर, I will not be able to answer. There's no harm in saying no. There's no harm in saying sorry. There's no harm. Right? So these are very important factors for you. Thank you. And I believe there are some questions. The first question, shirt in full hand or half sleeves? Anonymous. Well, my friend, the shirt should preferably be in full. Right? It should be full sleeves. Avoid using half sleeves. Right? आपके पास में अगर नहीं हो, that's a different matter. Please do not go overboard and buy a new shirt for yourself. But if you have a full sleeve shirt, very good. भैया का ले लो, दोस्त का ले लो, जीजा जी का ले लो, पापा का ले लो. But preferably a full sleeve shirt is much more, it carries weight, right? What about facial hairs? You see, I've been having this dadi of mine neatly trimmed, right? Though I'm thinking of, after I attain the age of 60, I'll avoid using, my scissors and all. But till the time I'm working in a corporate, I keep my beard. Though I don't have much hair, I'm a little bald, no issues. But my beard is neatly trimmed, so no problem. But yes, if you are not having beard, you're not keeping beard, agar aapki daadi nahi hai, so please do go for a clean shave. Do not keep stubbles. That is a very, very dirty look, right? I'm going to the chat session now. How to make a CV? That's a very different. That's a different question that maybe AMP can, can answer. Which file can carry to interview? As I said, it's all about you. What type of files which you want to? You have to take some of your, your CV, your original documents, then your your certificates if you have won something. ये सब जरूरी पड़ता है. And carry some newspaper, one newspaper of the day, or carry one magazine, which you have read. दिखाने के लिए मत लेना, आप पढ़ चुके हो वो मैगजीन लेना. Especially not avoid using film magazines, right? Take some business magazines. Tie, yes, of course, if you are comfortable wearing a tie, why not? Who stops you wearing a tie, right? Black shirt will be okay, and gray pant. Nahin, I'm so sorry, Naeem bhai. Avoid using a black shirt with a gray pant. Gray pant is perfect, but gray pant ke saath mein the best thing would be a white shirt. Avoid using a black shirt, right? Black is, though lower part ke liye it's okay, but upper part ke liye black shirt is a strict no-no, right? If you're wearing a jacket, I mean, a blazer, a black blazer, then black shirt is okay. But avoid, if you're wearing a blazer, a coat, I mean to say, a jacket, which usually say, then it's okay. Then it's okay. But avoid using a black shirt with a normal trouser. Sir, what about jeans? My goodness, sir, if it is even if it is a hospitality industry, or even if it is a corporate, even if it is for IT, even you're going to face the IT board, please, IT company, please avoid wearing jeans. Jeans is strictly no, please. And Mohit bhai, don't ask this funny question, Mohit bhai. I'm sorry, I'm just making it, please share slide. Of course, AMP will. Why black socks? Amir bhai, black socks. Why? Because black socks is considered to be a corporate color. Socks. अभी किसी ने पूछा कि मोहित भाई ने पूछा क्या, किसी ने पूछा कि black shirt, नईम भाई ने पूछा black shirt. No, but black socks is actually a color which goes it suits and it goes with any trouser. With any trouser. Of course, you don't wear a white trouser, you wear a dark color trouser. जब आप जाते हो, आप खुद सोचो, आप जब स्कूल में थे, किसी का अगर व्हाइट ट्राउजर होता था, व्हाइट हाफ पैंट या व्हाइट शर्ट, कोई भी स्कूल में ब्लैक सॉक्स नहीं होता था उस पर. अगर आप ब्लैक सॉक्स तभी होता था आप जब कोई ब्लैक कलर ट्राउजर पहनते थे. सो अवॉइड, राइट? व्हाई ब्लैक सॉक? इट इज एक्चुअली अ ट्रेंड, इट्स अ कलर which is acceptable. I'm Tanveer Sirazi. I lost my job during beginning of COVID-19 June 2020. Company has reduced team size, hence I lost my job. How do I convince or explain this to the interviewer? Be very open, be transparent, Tanveer bhai. You're not the only one. आप इस चीज के शिकार आप अकेले नहीं हो, बहुत लोग भुगत रहे हैं. And इसमें कोई शर्मिंदगी नहीं है तनवीर भाई. आप जब अगर सामने वाले को जब बात करोगे ना, तो आप उनसे पूछना कि बताना उनको कि सर, आई एम वन ऑफ द अनफॉर्चुनेट वन, आई एम वन ऑफ द अनफॉर्चुनेट वन, व्हिच इज द फैक्ट. You are one of the unfortunate who has lost his job during the pandemic. So, sir, I have huge aspirations towards this, towards getting this job, and I was considering myself if I can, if I can be an asset to the company. So, because I have got this working experience, मेरे पास में ये experience है, तो मैं चाहता हूँ सर, मैं इस आपकी कंपनी के लिए एक एसेट बनूं. बात में अपने वजन लाओ, अपने अपने अपनी आवाज में एक लहजा लाओ, अपने पोस्चर में एक खूबसूरती लाओ, अपने चेहरे में एक खूब स्माइल लाओ, मुस्कुराहट लाओ, ताकि सामने वाला बोल सके यार ये बंदा है जबरदस्त, बात भी अच्छा करता है, स्मार्ट भी है, सब कुछ है. I don't know Hindi, talk in English itself, sir. I'm so sorry, Abdul Wahid. I've spoken to most of the conversation was majorly in English, but not that particularly. There was an intention of speaking in Hindi, but I got to know that there are some who are not, they are not well versed with the language called English. So I tried to mix and match with English and Hindi. So I'm so sorry, Abdul Wahid bhai. Right? Then I'll come to question answer later. What file I can carry? Original document we have to carry. It's up to you. It's up to you. Not necessary. You can carry, a photocopy. You can carry a photocopy. And of course, one more thing which we make a सामने वाला शायद आपको बोलेगा इंटरव्यूअर 90% इंडिया में मैंने देखा 90%. ये प्लीज मैं आप लोग को भी बता दे रहा हूँ, सुनिए, ध्यान से सुनो इस बात को. 90% आपके पास में जीरोक्स है अपने सर्टिफिकेट का. माय फ्रेंड, जीरोक्स इज नॉट द टर्म ऑफ अ डुप्लीकेट कॉपी. इट्स एक्चुअली कॉल्ड अ फोटोकॉपी. जीरोक्स इज अ नेम ऑफ अ कंपनी. हम लोग भी जाते हैं, भैया यहाँ पर जीरोक्स होगा, यहाँ जीरोक्स कहाँ होता है? वी आस्क, नुक्कड़ में जीरोक्स कहाँ मिलेगा? जीरोक्स की दुकान कहाँ है? जीरोक्स इज अ नेम ऑफ अ कंपनी. सो आप लोग प्लीज अवॉइड करना जीरोक्स बोलना. सर, आई गॉट फोटोकॉपीज, मेरे पास में फोटोकॉपी है. सामने वाला समझदार हो तो समझेगा जरूर. Which brands are coming to take interviews? Sir, I'm so sorry that AMP will be able to tell you. Can girls also come formal attire for interview? Of course, zaruri hai. They can also come. They can wear a trouser and a shirt, a light color shirt. For ladies also, they can wear a light color pinstripe shirt. If not a plain shirt, they can wear a pinstripe shirt. Ladies, not necessarily they have to go for a full sleeve. They can also go for a half sleeves for ladies, mind you. Sir, ये अंतर क्यों men के लिए और ladies लोगों के लिए? But gentlemen, my friends, there is ladies can also be allowed to wear a half sleeve shirts. Why black socks? मैंने बताया आपको. Some info about resume. ये आप AMC पूछ लो. Why should we wear burqa? Should we wear burqa and hijab while working also? It's up to you. अनमता, ये आपके ऊपर में बच्चे. आप जिसमें कंफर्टेबल हो, आपके फ्रेंड्स, आपके फैमिली जिस तरीके से आपको बढ़ावा दिए हैं, आप उसी में आप रहो. अगर आप कंफर्टेबल हो, आप प्लीज उसको पहन सकते हैं, बट अवॉइड बच्चा. माइंड यू, आई हैव सीन गर्ल्स इन कैलकाटा स्पेशली, वो लोग बुर्का जो पहनते हैं नाम के पहनते हैं, and they wear a very tight burqa which shows the entire figure, which is actually not good in Islam. So avoid using a figure tight burqa. And if you're wearing a burqa, it's a strict no. If you're wearing a burqa, why do you have to keep your hair open and burqa के बाहर बाल निकला हुआ? Your क्या बोलते हैं, pleats, your hair should be totally tied and neatly, क्या बोलते हैं, pleat करके जो किया जाता है ना, जो क्या बोलते हैं लेडीज लोग को बोलते हैं, बन बना के रखते हैं. It should be covered. ठीक है? So avoid doing that. What type of questions are asked in interview? Okay, that's a very good question, Madiya. Beta, first they will ask you, what about yourself? Tell me something about yourself. So I've told, how do you start, about yourself, and why should we take you? Very, very important question. बहुत सारे लोग पूछते हैं, why should we take you? So give a very genuine answer. What is that one quality in you? What are there out of many, one good quality in you by virtue of which the company is going to appoint you, the company is going to take you? Excuse me, give me a moment. Thank you. So please, these are the questions which they're going to ask. So, give that answer with confidence. Why should we take you? आप prepare हो अपने आप को, सामने आईना देख कर बात करो अपने आप से. That will help you. why should we take you? Tell me something about yourself. What do you know about my company? So be prepared. अगर कुछ नहीं जानते हो, avoid. Say, sir, I'm so sorry. I really don't know about this company much. So maybe if you can help me, letting me know about this company. वो ये brownie points add करता है आपके CV पे. ये अच्छा लगेगा उनको सामने वाले को. Which points must be covered in CV? Ansari साहब, ये आपको you'll have to ask, take help from others because यहाँ पे बहुत सारे questions है which I have to cover. This AMP can able to answer. Shama, आपने पूछा बेटा, when will you go for interview and where? ये आप AMP से पूछ लीजिए. Brown shoes, सोहेल भाई, अगर आप ब्राउन शूज पहन रहे हो तो इट हैज टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट विद द ट्राउजर. ब्राउन शूज विद ब्राउन पैंट इज ओके, बट ब्लैक ट्राउजर और नेवी ब्लू ट्राउजर विद ब्राउन पैंट्स चलेगा, बट अवॉइड करो. आप अवॉइड करो. अगर आप नेवी ब्लू ट्राउजर देन ब्राउन शूज इज ओके, बट ब्लैक ट्राउजर के साथ में ब्राउन शूज इज नो 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 नो. ठीक है. ब्राउन शूज अगर पहन रहे हो तो नॉट नेसेसरी आपको ब्राउन सॉक्स पहनना पड़ेगा. इट हैज टू बी अ ब्लैक सॉक्स. आई एम स्ट्रेसिंग ऑन इट. How do we deal the interviewer if he starts discussing about religious matters or religion? Harun Saab, it's up to you. ठीक है. If he, बहुत सारे, they have people, they don't do generally. But even if they do, say that, sir, I'm not too prepared about the religious matters, sir, because I've come here for the job. Maybe if you can ask me, आप बोलो ऐसा. Maybe if you can ask me about the job, sir, anything related to the job, I'll be more comfortable in answering that rather than giving answers on on religious matters. सामने वाला जबरदस्त जानबूझ के पूछता भी है. जहां कोई दाढ़ी वाले को देखा, कोई तिलक वाले को देखा, तो वो पूछता है सामने वाले का, उनके बारे में पता चलता है सामने वाले से. तो that is very trivial questions they are going to ask you. They might ask you. So but avoid that. कोई, अरे बाप रे, there are too many questions, but there are question answer session. कोई भी इंटरव्यू देने से पहले नर्वसनेस फील होता है. नर्वसनेस कैसे दूर करें? वेल, फरहान, नर्वसनेस को दूर करने का एक ही तरीका है बेटा आपके पास में, दैट यू स्पीक टू योरसेल्फ आईना के सामने एक दिन पहले, एंड आप कॉन्फिडेंस में अल्लाह का नाम लेकर के, ईश्वर का नाम लेके, भगवान का नाम लेके, गॉड का नाम लेकर के आप जब जाओ, निकलो घर से बाहर में, कोई भी सभी बच्चों को बोल रहा हूं मैं कि आप भूल जाओ कि कि कोई आपको गोली मारने वाला है. आप ये समझो कि इस भीड़ में आप भी उन्हीं लोग में से एक हो जो इस दौड़ में आए हैं हिस्सा लेने के लिए. पर जीतने वाला वही होता है बेटा कि जो अपने आप को मजबूती से पेश आए, जो अपने आप को कॉन्फिडेंस दिखलाए. ये नर्वसनेस आप डरो मत. क्या है नर्वसनेस बेटा? सबसे बड़ा डर दुनिया में आज क्या है? आप बताइए. आप सबसे बड़ा डर क्या है? सबसे बड़ा डर है इंसान का मौत. मौत से तो बढ़कर नहीं चीज नहीं है ना. Which is the fact of the life is मौत, is death. One has to face it. तो ये क्या है? कुछ नहीं है. डर क्या है भाई? वो शेर थोड़ी ना है जो आपको खा जाएगा देख करके. बहुत सारे शेर तो ऐसे भी होते हैं जंगल में, उनका पेट भर रहा है तो देखते हैं आपको, देख के चले जाते हैं. पर ये कोई शेर थोड़ी है, ये कोई राक्षस थोड़ी है जो आपको देखेगा वो खा जाएगा. हाँ, ग्रिल जरूर करते हैं. क्यों ग्रिल करते हैं? बिकॉज दे वांट टू नो. वो कहते हैं ना कि वो हीरा कहां से निकलता है? कोयले के खान से, घिस करके. तो वही चीज है, वो लोग घिसते हैं, लोग ग्रिलिंग करते हैं, आपको देखना चाहते हैं कि कितना मजबूत है ये बंदा. सो प्लीज डू नॉट गेट नर्वस. टॉक टू योरसेल्फ. नर्वसनेस. करंटली आई जॉइन आईसीए सेल्स जॉब इन गोल्ड लोन. ठीक है. उमर सर, क्या स्लीव फोल्ड करके? अरे मत करना फारूक भाई, एकदम मत करना. सी, मैं घर में बैठा हुआ हूं. I'm having conversation with you all. My sleeves are full. Though I'm wearing a watch also. I have to be prepared. मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ वो करना भी चाहिए ना मेरे को. So please avoid folding your sleeves. आप इंटरव्यू देने जा रहे हो, दादागिरी के लिए नहीं. Okay. I'm so sorry. Sir, for मुंबई में प्रेजेंटली रहना है क्या? I am having experience in imported. ये मैं must be covered in resume. मैं अब क्वेश्चन आंसर में जाता हूँ. What about belt? Belt has to be black. Sir, what if we don't have black shoes? If you have a brown, then you can wear it. Otherwise, preferably a black. Please. What type of questions are asked in interview? मैंने बताया, can we use brown shoes and brown belt? Yes, of course. If you are having a brown shoes and brown belt, okay. Do not go overboard and buy it. Can I wear a simple analog watch? Of course you can wear it. There's no point in not wearing an analog watch. Can I wear a gray shirt, slightly shine? No, please avoid that, Sarfaraz bhai. Do not wear that. Avoid that. Right? brown shoes. Is there any BM? I will not be able to answer, Vikram. Any company for mechanical engineering job? I'm sorry, Vikram, that AMP will be able to answer. Prachi, Ashok, can you give some advice to freshers? Prachi, बच्चे, आपको मैं advice यही दूंगा कि मैंने जो आपको बताया, confidence should be high, communication should be good, personality should be best. ये 3 factors, confidence, communication and personality should be best. Crack कर जाओगे आप बच्चे, right? I'm so sorry, कहाँ चले गया? इतने सारे questions आ रहे हैं. I'm sorry. Jitesh, what is common between tricky question being asked in an interview? What is the most common and tricky question? Jitesh bhai, मैंने जो बताया, it's a tricky question. It can be related to anything. You know, somebody can ask you, who's your favorite footballer, Ronaldo or Messi? Considered to be a tricky question. Who's your favorite actor, Ranveer Singh or Ranbir Kapoor? Tricky. Why not Ranveer Singh? अगर आप रणबीर कपूर बोल दोगे, आप रणबीर कपूर, why not Ranveer Singh? फिर you know वो सब चीज में avoid करना, films, politics, avoid करना, religious matter, avoid करना, ठीक है? हाँ, who's a better businessman, Adani or Ambani? ये सब क्वेश्चन का आंसर दोनों. Sir, depends because they are both Maharati in their own respective field. How can you say so? Sir, one is a giant in in petroleum, and the other is a giant in in ports and infrastructure. हो गया, मालूम होना चाहिए. I am so sorry because there are so many questions I don't know. Vikram, can mechanical engineering graduate participate in job fair? I'm so sorry, Vikram. Amir Khan, I am having import trade. I'm sorry, Amir. Is it compulsory to keep pen in front pocket of shirt? Yes, of course, Ansari sir. You know, this is my pen. You can keep it on your pocket. If you're having a pocket, most of the shirts, they don't have pockets. नहीं होता है. So please, you can put it, you can place it here. आप यहाँ place कर सकते हो. ठीक है? Effective resume बच्चे. अब मुबाशिर आप जरा पूछ लेना आप. Sir, my question, what type of dress to face interview? बेटा शाहरुख, हमने आपको बताया है ना कि dress नहीं, but the attire, आपका जो जो कपड़े आप पहन के जाओगे, it should be good. It should be the one which reflects your personality. Which reflects your personality. Of course, आप तो colored, either highly colored में तो नहीं जाओगे interview देने. You're not going to do audition तो देने नहीं जा रहे हो आप. So you're going to face an interview. आप interview देने जा रहे हो, तो your clothing should reflect your personality. It should be soft. It should be sober. It should be soothing to the eyes. ना? Sir, मैं what type of dress मैंने बता दिया. Sir, some question they can ask. मैंने बताया अभी which points covered मैंने बोल दिया है what is the important. मैंने अभी बहुत सारा discuss किया इसमें. So अभी which points? So, Umar sir, can I fold full sleeves? नहीं फारूक भाई, हमने बताया नहीं. Shubham, what is the average package offered? Shubham, I'm so sorry, I will not be able to answer that because I don't know which points must be covered in resume. Is there any Assalamualaikum, is there any interview location nearby Virar? I'm so sorry, Kainat. Beta, पूछना पड़ेगा AMP से. How do we explain strengths and lovely, Tanveer, lovely question. I really appreciate this question of yours, Tanveer. There are 33 more questions because I don't know how much time I have left. So, but Tanveer, what are your strengths and your weaknesses? अगर कोई आपसे ये सवाल करे, आप सबसे अगर कोई सवाल करे, तो आप ये बताना. My strengths. Now, if you're asking me, in generic, if I'll say, sir, my strengths are that I am a good communicator, right? I listen to people and I address the issues accordingly. If there is any problem, I listen to the person who's addressing their problems with me. I give a patient hearing to them. And after listening to the problem, if I can solve it, I instantly solve those problems. And if I think I need further suggestions, I go and meet my immediate superior. I take his assistance and I come down to a conclusion, which I in a very polite way and a very simple manner, I address and I close that issues. So my strengths lies on my communication, how I speak and how I address issues. These are my strengths, sir. Right? Please avoid using that sir strength. I can take a क्या बोलते हैं उसको, भल्ला को आप लोग क्या बोलते हैं जो जिम करते हैं वो सब, dumbbells 10 kilo, 20 kilo, I can do 20, 100 push-ups. नो नो नो, वीकनेसेस, कोई बोलते हैं आई एम अ बिग फूडी, ठीक है यूज करो, बट दीज हैव बिकम वेरी कॉमन नाउ, यू नो, sorry, so avoid those answers. I'm a big foodie, I love to sleep. Sir, weaknesses, there are many, there are various type of weaknesses in in many forms in everybody, not only me. I am also human, and also I'm prone to make mistakes, but there is nothing much major, something like which I can address, inform you about my weaknesses. बोलो नहीं नहीं, फिर भी आप एक बताइए कि what is your weakness, please tell us. You can, आप बहुत diplomatically ये आंसर दे सकते हैं. Sir, I used to be a short-tempered person. I used to be. I am not. I used to be a very short-tempered person, but over the time, sir, with over the time, after interacting with my friends, I have read something. I've read books. I have heard conversations. I have heard debates. Over the time, with experience and with time, I have overcome those weaknesses. I used to be a very short-tempered person, but I used to get cool down very fast. So I used to, but now I'm okay, sir. It's okay. There's nothing major weaknesses or minor weaknesses with me, sir. So these are the things which you can say. ठीक है, ये सब बहुत जरूरी है बात करना. अच्छा, one final thing. There are questions. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Where do you see yourself? Tricky question किसी ने पूछा था. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? So please don't say like this, sir, on your chair. I want to become the president of the group. I want to be on your chair. I will be seeing myself in your chair. How can in my chair? नहीं sir, you will go up ना सर, मैं आऊंगा आपके चेयर में बैठूंगा, मैं आपका पोजीशन दूंगा. Please, that is over ambitious person. Ambition होना जरूरी है, but over ambitious person नहीं होना बहुत नुकसानदेह है. The person whoever you are speaking with, अगर आप ऐसा बात करें तो ये समझ जाएगा ये कहीं से रट के आया, पढ़ कर आया, ये मेरे को he is playing a fast one. So avoid that, right? So please do not use those terms like I'm going to be in your position. So there are plenty 34. I mean, I'm so sorry. I will not be able to answer so many questions, but because there is Farhat who might. There's already 7:45, Farhat. It's up to you whether you want to continue or it's okay with me. What are your views on how to answer this question? हमने बताया आपको failures के बारे में, Usama. It's all up to you. Your failures, likewise, I've mentioned about your weaknesses. So you can also mention about your failures. For me, if you ask me, sir, what is your failure? My failure is, that I used to be a very scared person. Why scared? बात करना, आप पूछना, मतलब आप खुद क्वेश्चन सवाल करो, आप खुद ही जवाब मतलब क्वेश्चन करो. Why scared? Sir, scared only being that I used to earn very less at one point of time, and I used to get scared as to how I'm going to run this family. I've got a wife, I've got 2 children, I've got parents, so I was very scared as to how I will run the family. So that is what really scared me of failures. What if I don't succeed? But over the time, sir, I understood one thing, that if you work with determination, if you work with passion, with whatever you do, even if you pull a rickshaw, मैं जवाब दे रहा हूँ इंटरव्यूअर को, मैंने ऐसा बोला भी था एक जमाने में. Even if I'm pulling a rickshaw, even that ठेला गाड़ी, मैंने I use a term called ठेला गाड़ी. Even I pull a rickshaw, even I used ठेला गाड़ी, sir. I don't think that it's a low-graded job, because it's all in the destiny. What if I'm destined to do that, I'll do that, but I'll do it with passion. I'll do it with determination. So I'm not scared of failures anymore, sir, because whatever it's there in my destiny, I'll do it. I'll overcome it with my determination and with my passion. Thank you, sir. These are the I'm unable to get my answer, sir. Amir bhai, I'm so sorry. You asked me something. Amir bhai, I'm so sorry. आपका question क्या था? I'm so sorry. This is a very big insult to me. I'm sorry, Amir bhai, not to you, but to me, that कि मैंने आपका आंसर को ठीक तरह से जवाब नहीं दिया. अगर आपको fill कर सकते हो, you can in the next 1 minute. I can, but I'm so sorry, my friends. There are plenty of questions went unanswered. Describe yourself. क्या family background necessary है? It depends, रुकैया, आपके ऊपर में कि आपको अपने फैमिली के बारे में जिक्र करना है कि नहीं करना है. बट समटाइम्स इंटरव्यू आस्क, आपके फैमिली में कौन कौन है, आप बता सकते हैं. मेरे फादर हैं सर, or he was retired or he's working. मेरी अम्मी है, my mother, she's a homemaker. Housewife मत बोलना, she's a homemaker. I've got a sister who's studying. I've got a brother, elder brother, younger brother who's studying, who's working in this company. Likewise, ठीक है? In short time, can I change the job? नहीं आमिर भाई. Wherever you work, please work for 1 year minimum. पहले 6 महीना होता था, but please आमिर भाई, अपने CV में ना, आप अगर मेरा CV देखोगे ना, I've mentioned 5 companies, but all this while मैंने एक भी कंपनी में 6 महीना काम नहीं किया, ना ही 1 साल. Minimum was 1.5 साल, that was JLL. वरना 19 years I worked for Ambuja Neotia Group. 5 years I'm working for CBRE. You see, so please avoid. I'm facing problem due to irrelevant job profile. Well, बच्चा आपके ऊपर, it's all up to you. अगर आपको जॉब पसंद नहीं आ रहा, that's up to you. आप छोड़ सकते हो. But हम समझ सक रहे हैं आमिर, हम समझ सक रहे हैं. You know, थैंक यू रुकैया. हम समझ सक रहे हैं आमिर, बिकॉज आप किस हालात से गुजर रहे हैं. बोलना आसान होता है, बट उसको महसूस करना, सहना बहुत ही तकलीफदायक होता है. बट आई एम श्योर आमिर, दुआ करेंगे इंशाल्लाह. जब नमाज पढ़ेंगे हम आप लोग सबके लिए दुआ करेंगे, नॉट ओनली फॉर यू आमिर, बिकॉज बहुत सारे बच्चे, आई ऑल्सो गॉट अ सन, यू नो, हु माइट face problems in the future, but it's not only you Amir, there are plenty of people who are facing problems like this, you know, the same problem, right? So do not for job profile, it's all up to you whether that company, agar job pasand nahi Amir, mat karna. Jo job aap dil se nahi karoge, mat karna. Warna you will not be doing justice to yourself, neither you are going to do justice to the company. So agar job pasand nahi hai, mat karna Amir. ये मेरी सजेशन है बेटा आपको, ठीक है? As a guardian, as a well wisher, I'm just telling you बेटा, मत करना, avoid doing that. Ma'am.
Okay, hello.
I'm so sorry.
Yes, sir. It's okay, fine enough. The session was really good, fruitful, enjoyed. I'm audible, I think, sir.
Yes, of course, ma'am, you are.
There is a very common question coming of mechanical engineering vacancy. They can apply or not, the companies coming or not. So the answer will be wherever you have registered, the complete registration form has a complete detail. So please go and see your registration form again, and also it have a helpline number. You can call and ask, or either you can just come back to the AMP or web page, and you will find all details there. So if I have to see the job fair vacancy which we have mentioned FMCG, retail, hospitality, BPOs, banking, management, finance, and all entry level jobs. So I think your question and your query is answered now. Sir, I think every question has been answered.
जी, most of them. रुकैया आपसे, रुकैया पटेल, आपने बहुत अच्छा सवाल पूछा. I am 2012 pass out student sir. I have only 2 months of experience. Describe yourself. कि 2000 में हम मेंशन कर सकते हैं. जी हाँ बेटा, आप मेंशन कर सकते हैं. आप अगर 2009 में भी पास आउट किए हो, आप मेंशन कर सकते हो. You know, I have passed out. I've completed my schooling and my education, entire education with my graduation in the year 2012. You know, आप मेंशन कर सकते हैं, and I have only 2 months of experience, because आपके CV में आप जो लिखोगे ना, so it all reflects here. आपके CV में पूरा description होना चाहिए कि आप क्या से क्या करते हो, right? I have only 80 people here. Please listen to me one very important thing. आप please सुन लीजिए आप लोग, please. आप जब रूम में एंटर करो ना, मैंने ये इस बात में बताना भूल गया आपको, जब आप रूम में एंटर करो ना, please knock and enter and ask, may I come in? You know, आप पूछना पहले, may I come in? अगर दरवाजा नहीं है, दरवाजा तो यूजुअली होगा रूम में, अगर ओपन हॉल है और आप बैठे हुए हो, आप बुलाया जा रहा, आप जा करके सामने खड़ा रहना, कुर्सी रहेगा, बैठना मत. प्लीज अवॉइड सिटिंग इन द चेयर until unless you are asked to. जैसे आपको बोले, you please take a seat, आप तब बैठना. जब तक ना बोले, खड़े रहना. वो शायद आपको टेस्ट कर रहा है, सामने बोलेगा बैठिए, खड़े में क्यों हैं, आप चुप रहना, no problem. You know, he's trying to understand your mentality. He's trying to see your weakness and strengths. So avoid sitting on the chair until unless you are asked to. Once you sat on the chair, आप जब chair में बैठ गए हैं, please ये जरूर देखें आप this part. Please avoid doing this. You can do that or you can do this, but please keep your hands on the table if you wish to. ठीक है, and lean a little forward, सामने थोड़ा सा आ जाए, and then you speak. Or else what you can do is you can sit and you can put your hands, ये hand अपने lap पर रखें, you know, अपने गोद पर रखें, ladies as well as men, you know, अपने उसको गोद पे रखें. So आप सामने अगर हाथ रखें, this shows confidence. Of course आप अपने हाथ को पैर अपने गोद में रखेंगे, अपने लैप पे रखेंगे, it does not show that you are not confident. You are also confident, but you're showing respect. Showing respect is also this, but showing respect is also this. But avoid, you know, avoid keeping your hands on the table. You can keep on the you know, armrest of the chair, or you can keep it on your lap, right? And do not fiddle with your fingers. You know, उंगली से खेल रहे हैं, because आपका concentration आप सुन नहीं सकोगे. So just keep it and sit. Your body posture should be straight. Do not lean much. Do not go back, and do not, you know, sit back on the chair and ये एकदम backrest में तो आराम करके नहीं. Just sit nicely. And when you get up, please, okay. Thank you जरूर बोलना. Thank you so very much, sir. Pleasure, sir. Pleasure meeting you. And आप chair को हल्का सा push करना and खड़े होना और तब जाना. और जाने से पहले प्लीज एंश्योर आप चेयर को वापस उसी पोजीशन में रखना जिस पोजीशन में चेयर रखा हुआ था आपके आने के टाइम में. These things matters. These are brownie points which you carry on, which will carry, you know, आपको अगर 90 मिला है, वो 10 पॉइंट आपको ऐड कर देगा फॉर योर बिहेवियर, कि आपने चेयर को वापस रख दिया वैसे, राइट? तो these are very important things. चलिए, थैंक यू.
Thanks, sir. The questions are done, and thank you, sir, for your value addition to all
Pleasure,
the
ma'am.
points. It was
Farooq,
great.
how we answer salary expectation? Sir, one request, please. Farooq, sorry, Farooq, ma'am. Farooq, one request. Tell me salary expectation. Farooq, bhai, it's all up to you, Farooq, bhai. Okay, whether how comfortable you are in accepting whatever you're being offered, it's all up to you. You know, if you're a fresher, please do not, you know, be stringent with the salary package because you're a fresher. बहुत सारे लोग they become adamant कि मैं आपको 2 लाख से ज्यादा दूंगा नहीं, 1.5 लाख से ज्यादा दूंगा नहीं, you know, equal CTC. So accept कर लीजिए because अभी इतना pandemic time because अभी ज्यादा देते नहीं है company. And it's all up to you whether you want to accept it or not. And if you don't accept it, just say very politely, sir, I'm actually expecting a little more. But if you can manage to give me a, you know, if you can manage to make my CTC into this level, you know, I'll be very helpful. It will be very helpful to me, and I'll be very grateful. Last. Sorry. What matters to you most, your job or is it the salary? So, you know, this is also a very tricky question. I'm sorry, guys. So, you know, this is a very tricky question. Which is more important to you, the job satisfaction or the salary satisfaction? The money is money. So, everybody is working for money, right? And without money, nobody's going to work here. So, of course, salary is very important to anybody, whoever is working. Everybody is working for salary. But sir, I personally feel, sir, I personally feel that, you know, even if you're working, even if the salary is very low, you should work with passion. Whatever you're doing, it should be done with passion, with determination, with use the term, you know, with josh, with junoon. So इसलिए मैं सोच रहा हूँ सर, मैं जहां भी काम करूंगा, मैं जो भी काम करूंगा, I want to do it with passion. I want to do it passionately. I want to show that determination कि मैं इस जॉब में खुश हूँ. सर सैलरी तो सर पैसा तो क्या है, आज है कल नहीं, आज ज्यादा है कल कम हो सकता है, कल कम आज ज्यादा कम है कल ज्यादा हो सकता है. But I think for me especially sir, I prefer, you know, a job which satisfies me. At the end of the day, when I go home, when I relax on my bed, I feel satisfied that yes, I have done something in today at this job. This will carry points. This will carry weight. This will go a long way for you. I hope you got my answer. Thank you. अगर आप मुझे मौका दोगे, I'll keep on talking. So I think we have to come to an end of this session because this is going to prolong a long.
Yes, sir. And yeah, it was a great talking also. I think their hope, all their question has been answered. And don't worry, attendees, we will be having one more session. So you can also connect in that if you have missed something or if you really want to know more. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.